What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm actually at the garage right now. So like I said, we're gonna try and put the STALK air intake, that intake. So we're gonna take out the old cold intake, so we're gonna do that. We're also gonna swap the terminals for the battery because it died again. And I did buy a new portable recharger for the car. I didn't even know they sold those until I saw it on Eliminate. But I picked up one of those and it just charged, so we brought it inside because it was outside. Now we're just gonna get to work. I'm gonna start with the I kind of want to start with the battery, just because once we take off this thing, this part right here comes right here and passes through the middle, so it's gonna be a little harder to kind of move around that area. So and this was the ones that I ended up picking up from Amazon. So let me take them out. There you go. So as you can see, it has two different sizes, 4 holes. Then this one, it's a clamp and it has a washer, so it gives pressure instead of the bolt giving pressure. Positive side, and I believe the other one tells me it's the and it also comes with this little ring, so you can press on the inside of this instead of this actually pressing on the battery the terminal thing. So this one says positive right there, and then this one says negative. So comes labeled out. They're gonna go like this on each side of the battery with these things in the middle, one for each. So we're gonna work on that, and then we're gonna put this back. And like I was saying, K&N. I think I put this right before it swapped to the coal, so it should still be relatively clean because I haven't used it that much. So what we're gonna have to do is, because this goes all the way down into the side of the bumper, what I'm gonna try and do is try and just take this part and try to like push it out just a little bit, that I can get enough room to put my arms in there and just get it out like that. Because either way, the sensor is on that side, so we're gonna have to move some wires and stuff, but we should just get started. Alright, so we're gonna start with the battery. Alright, so we are gonna take out this side first. Oh, it's a 12 limit. Alright, let's try this again. There you go. So I'm gonna take this one out if I can, or not. There it goes. Now I'm just gonna quickly let it discharge for a little bit while we get the other one of the sockets, and we're gonna take off this, because I believe that one is actually 10, but it looks like a 12 as well. Yep, it's a 12. So actually, let's take out the other side right here as well. Shouldn't be doing this bare hand, but YOLO. Wow, this one's gonna be hard. There you go. So just let it discharge itself. I'm gonna leave it there, and then we're gonna come back to that one so we can take off the old terminal and put the new one, which we might need to cut some cables, but I don't know yet. So I'm just getting ahead of myself. Let's just keep going with this one. So we're just gonna grab this and there you go. And then I don't know if we need to do it now. There you go. So we can just do it like that. Pull this one out. There it goes. Now we just took off one of the leads. So I'm gonna set that aside right there, and then we're gonna come back to this one right here. And let me find how we're gonna put this. So it looks like we're gonna be using this two of the big holes, and they look like they have insulation, but I don't know. Let's just double check right here. They don't even send you tools with this terminal, to be honest. Oh, there it goes. So this one's gonna be for the big wire, and then there's one more wire that's in there. That will be for the small one. This one right here. And this one, it's actually the one on the other side. There it goes. So then we also have two other wires later on if we want to route some ground somewhere else. And I guess they give you like this ones for the little ones right here, or so you put this ones right here. Actually, that makes more sense. All right, so let me just put this all together and I'll show you how it ends up. All right, so I put on the glove and we're gonna put the ring just around the thing so it can just stay there. Now we're gonna come back and get this two cables. I wish the negative side was longer, so it will be easier, but they need to be actually, let's see, it'll be like this. And what we're gonna do is pass this one first right here, and I'm trying not to touch the battery terminal because I know it's negative, but still, like, I don't want to fuck up anything just in case, you know. So we're gonna do this one, and then we're gonna come back and do this one. I hope you guys could see that. And then we're gonna take our thing right here, just press lightly just so it stays in place, and then once we have both of them, there you go. So it's just staying in place for the moment, and then we're gonna do this one. This one's the harder one. And we want this one to stay in place as well, but you can press this one now because the other one's in place. It won't move around. You can press this one all the way down. So as tight as it could be. There you go. Flip this over to the other side. There you go. So this side, it's complete except for this. We need to open it more, I believe. Open it more. So with a flathead, I'm just gonna come to the middle and then just kind of twist so it can just expand. See if that did anything. To be honest, I doubt it, because these things hate me. There you go. So let's try this one now. Nope. Alright, we're gonna have to take the ring out of it and put it on this then. The ring doesn't even go in. I think this is for an adapter. So let's just put it like this. I'll put it right here and the other one facing that way. Because, oh, I can actually put it facing this way. So we're gonna put it like this. Oh shit, I just dropped it. No. I almost had it. There you go. I got the ring back. So we're gonna put this now right here. We're gonna do it like this. Okay. Let me tie it with my finger first. Fuck. It's so hard to do it like this. Or actually, I into I think I just dropped the 10 mil. Alright, yeah, we're gonna do it on this one. That's not it. Is this it? Man, all these things are so many different sizes. Someone ain't stealing my battery, that's what I'm telling you. Oh, that one could work. There it goes. Tightening it. Alright guys, so here's the plan for this side. For the, so we already put the, it comes up a lot and there's like a gap at the bottom. If it would just focus, maybe. There you go. So you can see there's like a little gap down here, but it doesn't really matter as long as it's super secure there, which it is. Now we're just gonna move on to the focus because it doesn't want to focus anymore. There you go. So for the positive side, we're actually gonna have to cut the 2 wires, and then there's 3 wires in the back that are connected to your ECU. This one's good to your engine. So we're gonna have to cut them. This 2 we're going the big holes. The other ones, there's only 2 holes for the little ones. Where did I put the thing? So there's only 2 holes for this. What I'm gonna do is reuse one of them for 2 wires. So 1 wire at the top and 2 wires at the bottom. So it will just sit nice. So let's get started. I know some of you are gonna be like, why are you only using 1 glove? Or you probably won't ask, but I'm only using 1, and here's the fact, because I can only find 1. I really need to get a pair of nice gloves to work on this thing. Maybe later, maybe later. I need something for this to stop moving around. God, it's annoying. I'm sorry guys that you can't see, but the wires don't reach that high, so oh fuck. So what I'm trying to do right now is just peel a little bit of the rubber around the wire, so we can actually, what I'm gonna do instead of ripping all the wires at once, I'm just going to put 1 at a time. So we're gonna start with this one, which is the bigger wire. Then the next one's gonna be the smaller wire next to it, and then the 3 other wires are gonna go on the side right here. Hopefully they fit. If not, we'll have to figure something out. But we're still doing this. Alright, so I've been trying to break my head how, because this one has 2 wires, this one and the other one, so there's actually 4 wires here, and if I put 2 and 2 they won't fit. So I've been trying to figure it out how I'm gonna put this ones, because it's important and it has to be on the positive side. I already figured out the other 2, which were for the engine. Those were pretty easy. These ones are the ECU ones. So what I was thinking is, what if I just cut right here, like right in the center, cut all of them, and then what I can do is actually expand the little thing, the little rings, so it fits on the bolt. So then I'm gonna grab this thing. It's just a file, so what I'm gonna do is push this in and twist, so it can start stretching the this part, and then this part I'm gonna try and fit it in here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's the little this bolt, and then try to fit it through, and then put the screw and the washer on top of this, so it all stays together. But we'll see if I can figure it out. Alright, so I grab 2 pliers, and then I'm gonna use one to hold one of the sides, and then try to pull with the other one, the other side. Oh, it worked. Alright, so that actually worked. Which then we can come and put this around it. Oh, it's still a little bit too small, but nothing major. This will just give it more support, I guess. So let me figure this out real quick. Alright, here we go. So I tightened this. It's not gonna go anywhere. This one's a little loose, which is scaring me a little bit, but it should be fine because the thing is gonna go right in the center right here, so I can just move it to the side. We're gonna come put this one. Do I have my keys? I don't want the alarm to sound. Give me a sec. Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, then fuck. Now it doesn't want to go in because of this little ring. Damn it. It's always this little damn ring. I didn't put it on the other one either because it wasn't gonna fit with all the wires and stuff. Would have been a bigger hassle, but this one, it's only, I don't even know why I'm complaining, man. This thing has to work no matter what, because if not, I don't have a car. Alright, there it goes. No, damn it. Again. Here you go. There it is. Now tighten all of these things. There you go. Let's see. Oh yeah, the battery's dead. So let me show you what I ended up buying for it. Alright, so here we have a portable charger. This is not an ad or anything like that. I just bought it because I needed one. So it's just like a normal portable charger, but it comes with this things right here, which will actually help us charge the car. It has such a bright light. I don't even know why I wasn't using it. So let's try this out real quick. So the way you do it is you bring this here, right? No, let's put it right here or somewhere, wherever it can just stay. You put your negative, right? You put your positive somewhere. There you go. And then let me get the keys. Right here on the side you have a green light. If you click boost, there you go. And then if you click boost, it shows start up. So let's go try that real quick. So once this starts blinking, you can actually try and turn on the car. Or at least that's what it says on the little manual thing. You can see the green light right there. So then, well, did it work? Alright, let's go and try and turn on this car.
Trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is